We will go in for a short break here. Don't start surfing channels, we'll be right back.
First Word, a complete monthly magazine of the Northeast, packaging news and current affairs, sports, culture, festivals, achievers, life in Metro, and lots more. Buy the magazine today from stalls across the Northeast and New Delhi, or subscribe for 12 issues by paying Rs 320 online. For details, contact 98101 29327.
Welcome back. For our sports section today, we have coverage of chess tournament in Manipur. The state has decided to start full-fledged training of youngsters in chess.
The KH announcing Memorial State Level Open Chess Tournament held at several venues across Imphal, Manipur recently witnessed large participation from both the elderly and young, men and women. Played in two categories, Open category and Under 15 category, the tournament saw 66 players, including 23 rated and 43 unrated, competing in the Open category. In the Under 15 category, 21 players took part. The tournament had a total prize money of Rs 80,000, from which the organizers gave cash prizes from winner downwards to the competitor who emerged 12th. To encourage the youth to play chess, Manipur has now started giving training to budding players in sub-junior and junior levels from the first week of July.
We are taking up many works, many items to develop the game of chess in Manipur. So presently we are going to organize a coaching of the players for the particularly for the sub-junior and the junior levels, and it will be started from the first fortnight of July 2016.
A glitzy fashion show was recently organized in Nagaland to promote talent of the state as well as ethnicity and weaves. Watch our coverage.
Nagaland's rich traditional textiles were in full display in a fashion show called Tall and Slender, which took place in Hotel Acacia at Dimapur recently. Organized with the motto of promoting local designers and models, the show was also aimed at preserving traditions of textiles and weaving patterns. As such, the show started with ethnic wear, in which the beautiful ladies topped their wraparounds with traditional bead jewelry and attractive headgears, including hornbill feathers, while the men had mithun heads and other traditional Naga motifs embroidered on their jackets or shorts. While reds and blacks dominated, refreshing blues and lush green outfits too jazzed the occasion. The next two rounds were dominated by western wear, including an array of short skirts and gowns, wherein the Naga weaves and textiles were beautifully fused with laces and sheer fabric. Well-known musician Alobo Naga graced the occasion and rendered background music. The designers who showcased their collections included Piketo Zimo, Sunida Mainam, and Kasheli Su. Showstopper of the program, Venenem Singsong, former Miss Nagaland as also the reigning Jewel Queen, dazzled the audience with a bridal wear,
which is completely focused on promoting our local designers as well as our models. But besides promoting the models and the designers, we also want to promote our ethnicity, our culture, our traditions, which seems to be like fast breathing because of the ever-advancing technology as well as the influence of the Western culture in Nagaland.
I'm happy that they're coming with something like this, not just because of the fashion, but especially the traditional culture, the ethnic wears and all. Right now, the youngsters, we are not focusing on those things. So it's good that they're like mixing Western with our folk, our culture, tradition.
Well friends, it's wrap time for us now. But before you go, check out the names of the week's contest winners.
For our contest section, we had asked, film on which tribe of Nagaland did we show in the episode? The answer is Konyaks. The winners are Hamin Kurba from Nongpo, Meghalaya, Yangam Anok from Papumpare, Arunachal Pradesh, and Nilakshi Molsom from Agartala, Tripura.
Congratulations winners! We will recharge your mobile phones with ₹1,000 each. We recharge the mobiles of those viewers who send us the first 3 correct answers to our contest question. This week's question is, which contest did we show in our sports section? Send in your answers to youth_folio@yahoo.com or SMS to 99540 We will see you again next Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Until then, wait for us. Goodbye.